guys, and welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing great and are having an amazing time. Well, for today's video, I am taking you to a very scenic place, which is a beach which is in between Sinquerim as well as Candolim, where it's not very touristy. As you can see behind me, this is actually the 2nd of January and it is around 6 o'clock in the evening, so we're here to see the sunset. And this place here has some beautiful cafes, some beachside restaurants, and some shacks as well that you can explore. In fact, there are a lot along the stretch that I will be showing you in a bit. So if you really want to head to this place, then I'll be giving you the link in the description as well, so do go check that out. And for all those of you who are confused when you come to Goa as to the where do you go head towards, what are the kind of restaurants that you should be visiting, and the foods that you should be trying, so all of this is covered in my channel, so don't forget to go ahead and check them out, and also do subscribe to the channel if you're new, and click on that notification bell icon to get notified every single time I make new videos. So let's get started. So you take this right, which is at the Offbeat Beach Resort. Is a nice beach resort that you can consider to stay in if at all you want to stay in Candolim. And here of course is the parking area. It gets really crowded during the weekends, and especially during Christmas and New Year's, but otherwise this side of the beach is the most peaceful place that you can actually come towards. So usually if it's like a weekend, then we normally park at one of these places here. It's not very crowded. When you compare this place to the Candolim beach, the main Candolim beach, this is a lot more peaceful. So you can enter from this side, and there's a nice walkway. It's just 2 minutes walk from the parking to the beach. So this side along the beach you have these sunbeds that are available at this side as well. So this beach here has just a few, I would say a few thousands of people right from that stretch until Candolim. Candolim is right that side, and this is right in between. So on my left is the Sinquerim Fort, and that's the Sinquerim Beach area. So this is right in between these two, and not many people actually know this place here. So with regards to the foreign tourists on this particular beach, there aren't many foreign tourists here, but of course there are very good Indian tourists, an Indian crowd who come to this sort of a beach. So always wear your masks on, you know, when you're on the beach. I mean, this is the basic things that everyone needs to follow. And you wouldn't really believe the kind of crowd that is at this point in time, at this time, which is in Baga, Kalangur, and even Candolim for the matter of fact. And this side is quite peaceful actually.